Welcome back to another video, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Tesla Trends. I'm TJ. We got a great video for you today, but before we get into it, please drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, all that fun stuff. All right, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, so here's the chart for Tesla. We're on a 10-day, 10-minute chart. Friday was a very exciting day, after getting just back above the growth trend line on Thursday. We popped out, tested this top resistance here at 695, and did eventually get rejected. But the past, 3, 4, 5 days, we've been making higher highs and higher lows. And, it's good to see, again, a test of this top line channel. Is it necessarily, a sign of the breakout? I would say no. It's a good sign, but really, going back again, and we've said it in the past 5 or 6 videos, going back to June 24th, where we first, broke out and got the first test at this level, not a whole lot has changed. We've zigzagged a few times up and back and forth, but we're still in the same price range. So the good news is we're putting distance between ourselves and this downtrend line. So, I feel like I'm repeating myself over and over again, but we're holding the uptrend. We've broken the downtrend, but right now we're still moving sideways. So until we get a break of this level with a confirmed hold above this 695 level, nothing is changing. We're still in this sideways pattern. The only alternative would be if we fall below 619 and confirm as well. But if we had seen the opposite, like we had a few times, here below, with a bounce and a rejection at this lower support, I wouldn't want to come on here and tell you guys, or fuck, the stock's going down, just because we're testing the same range that we've been testing for over a month now. So again, it's sideways action. The good news is that typically this pattern, when you're coming up with bullish momentum and you go into this sort of sideways rectangle, repeatedly testing the top and bottom of the same price range, typically, more often than not, it will break out with bullish continuation to the upside. So that's the good news. The bad news is, we got rejected again this time, and we got to be patient. So it could be tomorrow, it could be next week, it could be next month, but until we get a break above this level, we're still moving sideways, and there's not a whole lot else to talk about. So I still like the chart. The big thing for all the recent action is that we've broken this downtrend that goes back to the all-time high from January. And we're starting to, consolidate a little bit here and gain support at these levels, which is also bullish. So, I still like the chart a whole lot. Does it mean we're going to break out tomorrow? Not necessarily. So, be patient, hang in there. The chart is starting to look much, much better over the past few weeks or so. And like I said, I do expect the probability to hold true and get that bullish breakout. So I'm going to stop repeating myself and end the video right there, because there's really just not that much else to say. But who knows? Who knows? It could be sooner rather than later. You never know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section, please. As always, drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Really appreciate that. It helps out the channel a lot. Subscribe if you enjoy my content. I make videos on a regular basis, and I'll certainly make a new video as soon as there's something new to talk about. Turn on notifications so you know when that comes out. And thanks as always for watching, guys. I will see you next time.